This is problem number 2 from section 4.4. In this problem it says the graph of a polynomial f of x with leading coefficient plus minus 1. So they're telling you the coefficient is just either a positive sign or a negative sign here. And integer zeros, so integer zeros, meaning there's no complex numbers, is shown in the figure below. Write its complete factored form. So they're telling you that by saying integer zeros, they're saying there's no complex numbers here. So what you see is what you get. And they're also telling you that the leading coefficient is either plus or minus 1, meaning it's not like 2 or 4 for a leading coefficient, which some functions can have. It's just either going to be a plus or a minus sign. So, complete factored form. So, complete factored form, an example of that is going to be, I'm just going to put example, would be like x plus 2, x minus 3. That's complete factored form, okay? So what we're going to do, so we'll just put answer here, is we're going to use the factor theorem, which says that basically any of the factors of the polynomial also have to be zeros of that function. So let's first state that the zeros of the function, or the x-intercepts, right? We'll also put that x-ints, are negative 4, right? Right here is negative 4, negative 3, 1, and 2. Those are the 4 zeros of the function. So the factors then, remember, x minus k, so x minus negative 4, which is x plus 4, x minus negative 3, which is x plus 3, x minus 1, and x minus 2. So there's 4 factors for this polynomial. Now, our complete factored form, I'm going to go ahead and write this here. So I'm just going to say CFF for complete factored form. We have a polynomial that has end behavior pointing downwards. So we know that this is an even degree polynomial because of the shape of it, right? So when they both point in the same direction, we've got an even degree polynomial. But we also know that this means that it's, because they're falling to the left and to the right, that's a negative leading coefficient. So we have a negative that's out front. Then we can put our 4 factors. That's x plus 4, x plus 3, x minus 1, x minus 2. So that means that this is f of x equal negative x plus 4, x plus 3, x minus 1, x minus 2 when you put it into function notation here. And this is this function here. Hopefully that makes some sense.